going to show you how to do the line dance Fly Like a Bird. It's a simple-ish dance and it's not too fast and it's two walls. So we're going to face this wall and this wall. If you end up facing either of these two walls, something's gone slightly wrong. Okay, so let's get started. Your weight is in your right leg and we're going to set off with our left. So step onto your left, rock onto your right, and we're going to turn. Step onto your right, rock onto your left, and we're going to turn. Step onto your left, rock onto your right, replace your left foot firmly down, and then we're going to do a kick, ball, quarter turn, kick, ball, change. We then cross our feet, we turn, we do cross and cross, so that's left, right, left. We're going to chasse next, right, left, right. We're then going to do a turn. We step onto our left, turn onto our right, we step onto our left and we point. We then, because our leg pointed, we cross our right leg, we turn all the way around here and we do cross and cross again. So left, right, left, and this is where the Fly Like a Bird bit comes in. Step onto your right and fly. Now we flew, we've dragged our left leg in, so we're ready to start again. We're going to be facing this way, so if you're following me, you've got your back to me at the moment, so you might want to angle yourself a little bit so you can see. We rock onto our left, replace our right, and we turn. Rock onto our right, replace our left, and we turn. Rock onto our left, rock onto our right, and we place our foot. We kick, ball, and we quarter change, quarter turn. Kick, ball, replace. We then cross our feet, we turn a half turn, and we do cross and cross. So left, right, left. We're then going to chasse, right, left, right. We're then going to turn. So we turn there onto our left foot, turn onto our right foot, we step and we point. We then cross our feet, we turn, cross, and then we fly like a bird. Fly like a bird. Ready to start again. Now, when you're doing one of the bits where you're doing the turn on the third part, we went onto our left, went onto our right, we stepped in front slightly and we pointed. You can make that a little bit smaller if you want. You can just do 1, 2, 3, 4. It's just 4 steps. As long as you end up with your right leg pointed, how you get there is not important, but it does look a lot swishier if you can do turn, tap. Okay? Right, I'll do it 2 more times through slowly, and then if you click in the description box below, you'll find a link to the dance. Here goes. So we rock, recover, turn, rock, recover, turn, rock, recover, place your foot, kick, ball, quarter, turn, kick, ball, change, cross your feet, half a turn, cross and cross, chasse, turn, step, tap, cross your legs, turn, cross and fly like a bird. Ready to go again. Rock, rock, turn, right, left, turn, left, right, place your foot, kick, ball, quarter, turn, kick, ball, change, cross your feet, turn, cross and cross, chasse, turn in front and tap, cross your feet again, turn, cross and fly like a bird. Now for those of you that have seen me do it in real life, it tends to look a bit penguiny. Do whatever you like, whatever makes you happy. But don't forget there's a description in the box below for this dance done to the music with me. Obviously if you go on the internet you'll find others and you can have a dance with them too. Thank you for joining me. Bye.